Hey guys, my name is Featherweight, and today we're going to give you first look and review of the Bissell Featherweight corded stick vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner has 3-in-1 technology. It can use on carpets, bare floors, stairs, and upholstery. So use the model number 2033Y. If you're not sure it's your model number vacuum cleaner, it's right here on the back. You could take a look. So now it has 15-foot cord instead of 30-foot cord. And now let's just unwind up a cord and plug those in. Oh, I think that cord just covered on that camera. That's funny. Anyways, let's plug those in right here. Okay. Let me place the cord into a cord holder on the unit. Like that. Okay. Now I'm ready to clean those up. So I'm going to put it right here. And now I'll clean those up with area rugs just a second. Okay. Now I'm ready to clean those up. Also, we can give us a run video for another vacuum cleaner YouTube videos. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. You can see it picks up dirt really good in the area rugs. This is a pretty good machine. To remove this handle, all you have to lift up this cap and lift up the handle and snap this down. And like that. So I'll use this nozzle and a handheld vacuum cleaner to clean up this furniture, just like it cleaned up the stairs. I'll show you on this cushion here. As you can see, it cleans the furniture. It's much good layer. So it doesn't have it all. I'm gonna show you what's inside the canister after vacuuming just a few days. So you can see all those hairs and the good dirt picked up in the area rugs and the furniture. So this is pretty good machine. Overall, the Bissell Featherweight was pretty good cleaning those machines. So it was easy, picks up so much dirt, just like other vacuum cleaners. But in this overview, it has different colors that I finally watch the rest of this video every day. Obviously, they used the blue one. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleaner videos, be sure to give me a comment below. Also, subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next video.